fantastic. And let's put the mop in. You could get a RoboVac from a different company, but it's not usually a Robo Mop as well. So you just add a little bit of water right into this attachment, which is included with the Coredy RoboVac. You seal it, and then the RoboVacuum converts in half a second to a mop. And once you put the water into here, the Robo Mop goes in. And I should mention that this pad comes off to clean. You can throw it into the wash, which is great. Okay. Let's take this bad boy for a spin. Now you might know the saying, don't cry over spilled milk, and you certainly don't cry over it if you have a RoboVac. That's also a Robo Mop. So right now, this beautiful Robo Mop is going to go to work. And I have deliberately placed spilled milk on the floor right here. But you'll see it's not spotting, right? It does one beautiful streak. You'll see as it goes through the milk right now, it's giving it a good mop, right? I don't need to do this. Look at that. I mean, this is not leaving residue, not leaving streaks. There's not splotches of white milk all over the place. It's really doing a good job, especially as it goes back over the area a second time.
Hi, nice meeting you. I'm Deebot OZMO T8, pioneered with TrueDetect 3D technology. I can detect objects as small as 1 millimeter and identify the obstacles instantly and precisely. TrueDetect 3D enables me to deliver powerful cleaning without collisions. Brand new true mapping laser-based navigation technology maps your home for 2 times the coverage and 4 times the accuracy. Precisely displays the map on Ecovacs Home app. 3 levels of suction power, from the carpet to the floor. No dust will be missed. With the revolutionary OZMO Pro mopping technology, you can enjoy the high-frequency vibration mopping power and say bye to stubborn stains on the floor. And more. The multi-floor mapping technology maps every floor of your home. Deebot OZMO T8 senses everything, cleans everywhere.